Hello everyone, I'm Saloni Gupta and in this video we are going to cover about what are integers and how to represent them on the number line. So we know before learning the integer we should know what are the natural numbers and what are the whole numbers. Okay, so we know that the natural numbers. Okay, so what are the natural numbers? So natural numbers are the counting numbers. Okay, that start from 1 and goes up to infinite. Okay, so we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These all are the natural numbers. Then what are the whole numbers? So when you will see that when we will add the 0 in the natural numbers, it will become the family of whole number. So I can say 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. This is the family of whole number. Now, what are the integers? We have learned about the negative numbers. We know there are some numbers like -5, -4. So these all are the called the negative numbers. Okay, so what are the negative numbers? Numbers uh, attached with the negative sign, they are the negative numbers. So now when I include the negative numbers as well, okay, so like -6, -5, -4, -3, right? Then 0, 1, 2, 3. So these are called the integers. So I can say that the integer is a set of number which includes the positive number, negative number, and 0. Okay, positive numbers are nothing but our natural numbers. Okay, so this is how the integers are. Then you will see that there is no starting in the integer and no ending, right? They start from negative infinity, we can say, to positive infinity, right? So if anyone asks what is the largest integer, it will be infinity. What is the smallest integer? It is negative infinity, or we can say it cannot be determined. So now how we can represent these integers on the number line? So let's make. Okay, so suppose this is the line I have drawn. So now in the center we'll draw 0, right? And from the center in the right hand side we put the positive number. So I will make positive 1, 2. Okay, there is no need to write plus sign in front of that. We can simply write 1, 2, 3. So these are the positive number. Then 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and so on. Then here it is -1, -2, right? Then -3, then -4, then -5, then -6, -7, and so on. Now suppose I have to represent the -4 on the number line. So from the 0, I will go into the left hand side and just take 4 steps. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this 4, okay, this is how we can represent the integers on number line. We will place 0 in the center, and from in the right hand side there will be the positive numbers. In the left hand side there will be negative numbers. And as you will move into the right hand side, you will see there the value will increase. Okay, there will be increase in value of integer, and as you will move in the left hand side, the value of the integer decreases. So if I am saying there is -7 and +5, so which is greater one? So you will see that 5 is in the right side of this number line and this -7 is in the left hand side. So we know that if the number is in right hand side, that means it is having more value. So this 5 will be greater than the -7. So I hope it is clear how to compare the integers also we have covered. Right. So, and please remember that every integer, every negative integer is less than the 0, and it will always be lesser than the positive numbers. Okay, so if I am saying -89 and 0, just compare which is greater. So the 0 will always be greater than this negative number. Okay, any negative number, if you are comparing with 0, it will always be greater. Right. And the question can come like, what is the greatest negative number, right? Negative integer. So we can tell that it is -1. Okay, then it will not be the infinity. Okay, so what is this greatest negative number? So that is -1. Okay, you can find out the smallest positive integer. So yes, it is it is 1. Okay, and 0 is neither negative nor positive. It is in the center of this number line. So I hope this is clear. So in this video, we cover what are the natural numbers, what are the whole numbers, and what are integers. Right, and how we can represent the integers on the number line, how we can compare the integers, Right, this we have covered, and we can also learn it. Okay, you can remember it through the diagram. Suppose this is the natural numbers. Okay, where the numbers 1, 2, 3 and all are coming. Then in the whole numbers, okay, you will include 0 as well. Right. Then in the integers, we will include the negative numbers. And okay, so this is the family of integers where the negative 5, negative 4, negative 3 and so on. Okay, so this is how the family of integer is. Okay, you can remember it. In the natural number, only positive number. In the whole number, 0 will include it. In the family of natural number. Okay, this is showing that this all the natural numbers are also coming in the whole numbers, and all the whole numbers are part of integer. Right, so the question also come like, is all the integers are natural numbers? Okay, so in the true and false statement you will see these type of question. So for this diagram will help you. Okay, so in this video we cover integer, how to represent them on the number line, natural numbers, whole number, how to compare, and this diagram. So please just note it in your notebook. It will help you in solving the questions. So thank you all of you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.